whatever hold, my dear, you can swallow. Then in the end of the day, you have a infect. It affects the stomach. So after taking it, like for me, if I take it, either I don't have money, I should have to be with my 700 to buy fresh dairy, milk, which can make it to disperse and do its own action. But if you just eat, because sometimes you will need water, but now I'm taking without water. You will need something to drink. So that's the way. The challenge is there. It has. This drug can ask you what he eat. He can say that I want soda and you have to go and buy soda because you will feel appetite. You need that because you need soda. He can say I want water. You have to go and look for it. So it's all about he has your body, you positive system, you to feed. He had for you some appetite in drinks. If you see that you're satisfied, sometimes you have to take alcohol so that alcohol, sometimes you can take like beer, so that you disperse. If you swallow the soup, out of that soup there's a gum. This drug has a gum, and the gum can affect your stomach. I know the secret, but the way I've been addicted when I was in the street. I used to eat it daily, then I'm addicted in it. I should eat either, this is very small. Other people can eat for 5,000. Have you ever seen people eating meat for 10,000? They are sitting, you have the blue wave for 5,000 water, you have a soda, he's just sitting there, there's a milk there. What he feel to taste is the one. But for us, with the ghetto life, we're just surviving. That's why we're taking without either no water. I feel like I should taste, but there's not enough money. Because this one can spend 10,000. If you buy it for 2,000, like if you buy it for 2,000, you can spend 10,000 for that 2,000. It will ask you a soda, it will ask you money, it will ask you PGG, it will ask for you a gum, so what. Then you will say, in our time, you eat 10,000 with only mirror for 2,000 you bought. So it's very expensive sometimes because it's very hard for someone to raise money here in Kampala. And mostly those who are living in ghettos, there's no mature way of getting money. Sometimes most of other guys, they have to go and steal because there's no way they can succeed to get money. So that's the challenge even we have in the ghetto youth. Yeah.
Ghetto youth.
Yeah.
Sometimes I won't flex you out. How do people bells? Man. Should I get up with you? Come say. What did you?
You're going to this guy.
I'm a master.
So this guy he's a traditional teacher of an instrument. He plays this big adumu. He can teach one another to play, how to play. He's a good teacher in fact. And we work with him.
Bagambe chokola okusomesa abaana.
Bano bonna ze mbasomesa era
Luganda.
Bano ze mbasomesa bakabinyo kulaza era bawulira ababumbi bakamiliyoni bali bonna amwe teacher. Nze nakubwa byange saagala kumanya era sikenda kubiri. Nayo tekayo muto guno we bamujaddeja. Ono uno muyaga wamulaba fiti kali sote bagala kumanya kuba ku music ne bayitawo nade te batokira atuleke no ngabe kwese bakula kasa muchi bye bye.
Yeah, those are the guys we live with them in the ghetto. We have fun sometimes because we speak funny words, funny things, you laugh, you have fun. But our problem is sometimes remain in 5 financial because a person can lack 1,000 and sleep hungry in Kenya and Kakadu.
Yeah, it's about 50, maybe cents or something. Like 1K. 1,000 is about like 50, like, but as in cents out there or something. Like $1 and cents or something. Yeah, it's about that.
$10 is 26,000.
Yeah, $10 is 26,000.
It's like $5.
So $1 is about 2,600.
Yeah.
$5 how much?
So 1,000 is about like 50, like maybe cents or something like that. Yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah.
But someone can lack that 1,000
Yeah, I
and
think let's go, eh?
sleep hungry.
Yeah, I think let's go.
Let's go then.
Yeah.
It's getting more down.
Yeah.
That done?
Bwana jamu kwate mundu yo jamu kirewa. Nenda waje.
Unaweza kateme?